Hi guys, in this video we're going to cover up the verbal section. What are the kind of paper you can expect in the exam? So there's an expected paper and we are going to discuss now. So let's imagine today is your exam and how you're going to perform if this is the kind of paper you're getting. So in this video I want to form your strategy and how you begin that, how you're going to strategize yourself on the exam day. Fine. So the moment paper start, there are total 34 questions. 24 questions are RC based, 10 questions are theta based. Fine. So I'll give you a breakup. Let's go through the breakup of everything and then we'll sort out how to perform in that paper. So in the RC section, 6 questions are going to be short RCs, squat RCs. Squat RC is coming for the last 2 years. You can download the last year paper. You can see that ctkin.com/cat. I uploaded the last year paper and expected paper for this year. So I want you to solve those papers to understand what I'm talking about. So these squat RC are small size, 1 paragraph or 2 paragraphs. They're not that small, but yeah, they're still a shorter paragraph with 3 questions each. For those who don't like RC, because RC is too big, I can't retain the knowledge, small RC I can do. So do that first. So there are 2 RCs. Then there are RCs which are science based RC. So 12 questions based on science and business, which is more of a fact based RC. By fact based means the data is given to you. It's more of a data crunching and mainly understanding things. I'm being a science student, being an engineer, I'm more comfortable with these kind of RCs. 12 questions. And 12 questions out of 24 is science, is social and history based RC. Now social is something which I personally don't like to do, so I'm keeping them separate. So I'm dividing them into 2 buckets, science and business one type, social and history second type. Theta, the small question short RC is part of these 2. And 10 question theta. So theta, para jumble, para completion, odd man out and summary of the passage. There are 4 topics which are coming. 4. So para jumble, 3 to 4 question. Para completion, 3 to 4 question. Odd man out. There are 5 statements, 4 statements given to you. One of the statement is the odd statement. You have to find out and kick it out. You have to find out which statement is odd. And last, finally, your summary based. Summary based question is coming for the last 2 years now. And most probably it will be there in the exam as well. Okay. So there's something you have to focus on. Now this is a complete 24 mark paper, 34 questions. And trust me, CET verbal section will give you more pain, will give you more different pattern than CAT. CAT is a typical same paper coming every year. The level of difficulty is much more easier. CAT paper, the level of difficulty have gone down drastically over the years. Fine. So you have a very good chance to score more marks, but don't over attempt, don't overdo. So for example, how many questions to do right? So 10 questions correct, 10 to 12 correct will fetch you 80 percentile. 15 questions correct will give you 90 percentile. And 20 questions correct will get you 99 percentile. Now depending on your accuracy in the mocks and tests you given earlier, that will decide your accuracy. So what I want to do is, I want you to do go through all the different type of questions, take a few tests on each of them, find out your accuracy. What is your accuracy? Suppose the accuracy is 70%. If accuracy is 70%, so this means you have to do at least 28 question attempt so that I can get 20 correct. So 28 attempt, 25 attempt, 20 attempt, how much is going to be your attempt is dependent upon your accuracy so that I can clear the cutoff of 12, 15 or 20, 90, 80, 90, 99 percentile. Okay. So your percentile will be decided by the number of questions you attempt based on your accuracy. So that analysis you have to do today, it will take you, trust me, half an hour to find out the accuracy for each area. And then we can decide our attempt. So I want you to go drill down in each of this area and then find out how much attempt you're going to do in that particular section. Yeah, sorry. So this is available on ctkin.com. I also created a heat map. You can go to the heat map or you can just download the last year paper to understand what I'm saying. Alright, so what should be now exam day strategy? So the moment you see the verbal is my sad area. I personally don't like the verbal section. Upar se I'm an engineer and verbal weak. Upar se I'm a Punjabi, the verbal further weak. The moment you go north, the verbal section accuracy, the knowledge of verbal, the interest for verbal goes down drastically. For example, the moment I land in Punjab, even today, America suddenly become America. Yeah, so that's part of our culture. So we can't do that. If you don't give away, your family will give away all these things. See? So anyway, coming to the point is I hate verbal section. If you want me to start with the verbal section, I won't be confident. So what I want to do is I want you to start with the theta question. Yeah. First 20 minutes, let's do 10 theta question so that the smile will be on my face. Because there's no negative marking, I don't mind solving them first. And yeah, attempting theta question will not affect your percentile. Even if you do them wrong, it will not affect your percentile or your scores. Because there is no negative marking in that area. Alright. Then we move to the RC which I'm comfortable with. Science and social. Science and business based RC where I'm comfortable, I'll do them first. So next 20 minutes are also okay because I'm doing the RC which I'm comfortable. Social RC which I can't even read, can't even understand, how can I solve that? CAT level of difficulty have drastically gone down over the year. Please try to understand this thing. Same, your coaching classes mocks have not gone down drastically. So you will be underconfident. So which is normal. So RC is easy to read, but the type of questions which are coming, a lot of questions are now inference based. Author ne ye kyun bola, why author said that, why author did that. I've uploaded another video as well earlier that out of 24 questions, 13 questions had the word author in that. Why author did that, why author used this language, why author said this. So we have to focus on all these things and do them first. Okay, last 20 minutes is the social and history based RC which I don't like to solve. So 1 hour of torture which I was planning to go through earlier is now down to last 20 minutes. So first 20 minutes I'm enjoying with data question. Next 20 minutes I'm okay with that with your RC which I like to read. Last 20 minutes is my torture area. So I don't mind that. So what I've done is we have successfully divided the CAT paper into 3 parts. Like it, don't like it. So now my torture is down to 20 minutes. I can suffer the torture for 20 minutes. Try to improve that, try to prove my point. But I'm able to manage my paper now. So this is how I do. So the main agenda of this video was to go through the expected paper, understand what kind of paper I'm going to get and what should be my strategy on that day. Alright, all the best. Thank you.